Hello, I'm just gonna show you how to play this sticker vending machine. So it's here. So first, drop your coin right here. So I'm just gonna show you. Just drop it. And I will continue because in my first video, somebody goes into our eyes. And second stick, move the stick and okay, move the stick. You can also see it. And we can remove this, also remove the stick and open this. Collect your stickers. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I got this sticker. And I will show you how to remove the coin in. So I'm just gonna go put some 2 coins. Okay, to make 2. Okay, got 2 coins. Okay. And move the stick again. Okay. Okay, now I'm just gonna get 2. But wait, I'm just gonna get it. So now I collect my 3 stickers. So it's okay, there are both blue. And how to make them? Just that. I got a hole right here. And also, if you want to back the stickers, just put this in here. Okay. Also put this one. I forgot to put this. And thanks for watching. Oops, I forgot to close this. Okay, bye.